I'm joined by Supriya Sule, who many congratulations. It must have been an extremely tough battle for you because for the first time you were fighting, apart from politically, but also family member.
Not really, because once you're fighting an election, it's an ideological fight. It's about issues based. So it doesn't really matter who you're fighting, because for me personally, it was UPA versus NDA or India Alliance versus NDA, you can say.
But many saw the family split, when you were voting. It must have been extremely difficult for you and your mother and father to, campaign at this stage in Baramati, which has been something that you've been contesting for the last 4 years, 4 times.
Not at all. It was not a family issue at all. First of all, my family is not split. A small part of the family had decided to take another route. That doesn't mean the family is split, first of all. And I think your relationships are in one place and your professional responsibilities. They are two different roles.
The verdict is completely against the present government, and you saw today, for example, the Deputy Chief Minister Fadnavis say that I want to quit as Deputy Chief Minister and devote my time to the party in the BJP. What is the signal? Do you accept what he's doing, or do you feel that this government now is on its last legs?
No. First of all, unemployment, price rise, and corruption are three huge issues which are not only alarming in Maharashtra but all over India. The agrarian crisis, farmers are under absolute duress, and there's anger. So that clearly has reflected in polls in most parts of India, point number one. And point number two, I think what happens in the BJP is an internal issue of the BJP.
But in terms of, you saw who is the actual, this was a fight for not only Sharad Pawar but also for Uddhav Thackeray. Who is the original party? Because you all have been fighting it against the Election Commission, gone to the Supreme Court, and it's been really a battle. This is the people's mandate that, in a sense, Mr. Sharad Pawar or Uddhav Thackeray are the real Shiv Sena as well as the NCP. Do you agree with that?
No, we never doubted it. We never doubted it at all. So whatever happened or whatever injustice was done to Mr. Pawar or to Mr. Uddhav Thackeray was something which was this Adrusha Shakti which was doing. I don't think the people ever agreed with it, and this was their chance to tell that they have rejected ICE especially, which is ICE means Income Tax, CBI and ED. The way it is misused all over India to bully people, scare people. People are tired of the fear.
Do you see the MVA going forward for the assembly elections? Is there a possibility? Because, it was extremely tough in terms of, and I know you all had to really work with each other to compromise and work together.
No, not at all. It was not difficult at all. And alliances are like that. Somebody has to take a step forward and one step back behind. But it's in the larger interest. It's not about personal gain.
And so you don't see any split in the MVA, and you all will all be together for the assembly election?
Why would there be a split? And what would be the split about?
No, because in terms of some Congress would want to be a bigger partner.
No, but that's okay. That's what coalitions are all about, and alliances. You have to build them.
One final point about what will be the role of NCP as well as the India Alliance. Most of the India partners who we spoke before this meeting have been very categorical that we don't have the numbers and we must be an effective and strong opposition. Do you agree with them?
Yeah, we'll have let's see what everybody says in the meeting, and we'll have more clarity about it once we discuss with all our friends and allies in the next half an hour.
Yeah, but what do you feel is for you in your terms, what should be the mission for India Alliance? Because it's been a very, very tough time for you all for the last 5 years.
Well, it's, everybody has challenges in their lives. So I don't look at a challenge as, oh my God, the world has come. Everything that goes up has to come down, and everything that does bounce back. And who's going to worry about the country? Nation first. For me, it's nation first, then the party, then my state, and then first in order of nation, state, party, and then family and other issues. So I think in the larger interest of the nation, we must all work together, especially for unemployment, which is just growing every day, price rise, agrarian crisis, and corruption.